Hello, hello. So this time I will use the beta version of LITCHI for the first time. Okay, I have flown here already with the Mini 2 with the DJI Fly app, and now I will try to fly, not to try, but to fly with the LITCHI beta version. First time. LITCHI, here we go. Connected, not connected. Error, okay. Let's turn on the Mini 2. That's the area. Anyway, let's see if it connects. I hope so. Okay, everything looks great for now. Just a simple flying around.
The home point has been set. Please check it on the map.
Okay, that's good news. Okay, I think the volume is okay. Okay, the battery is enough because I have flown with the DJI Fly app. How can we work with this? Okay, let's see if it records immediately after taking off without me doing nothing. Where is it? Units, camera maybe? Yes, auto record, let's see it. And don't do nothing, just taking off. Take off.
Recording started.
Pretty good, and it's recording. Yeah, just to be in. Okay, no problems. Very nice. Everything looks nice to me. The thing is, the DJI Fly app doesn't want older hardware, older phones, or older tablets. With this phone is okay, but I will test it later with the tablet, an older tablet I have since 2015. And the DJI Flap doesn't want it, so maybe I could fly with this DJI Fly app. We'll see. Okay, no problems, I think. Warning, strong wind. It's okay, not strong, not so strong, but I will not test the mission yet, but later on I will just do it. Okay, just a little flight around this place in the middle of nowhere. 40 meters, strong wind. Okay, seems to be flawless. That's a good news. Okay, a lot of trees in here. Okay, and this is the map. No problem. Very nice. So now I will press return home on the app. Go home. Okay. Seems to be okay. It goes 50, I think. Here it is. Here we go. Distance. No problems. Warning, strong wind. Let me see if I can go down. Yes, I can. I can rotate it and it goes sideways, even backwards, normal stuff. Okay, first impression, it's okay. So, already going home, okay. To interrupt, I think I pressed that. Okay, it's here. So what is it? Landing, tap to cancel. Okay. I will not cancel. I just want to land it to see if it stops the recording. Of course it will, but we'll check it out now. This is just a small test, and it seems to be okay. Okay, nice.
Recording stopped.
Recording stops. That's good news. Okay, a quick video just to test it. I think it's okay. Now I will test the mission, the FPV, and other stuff that LITCHI have from a lot of time. So thank you for watching.
Warning, disconnected.
I know.